organizing such events along with Peter and all staff, also the support from all universities being present here, transport community, and the government itself, starting from Vice President. I would say that I have enjoyed since yesterday because it's good to have also such events and including all these actors. It's good to see where we are and where we want to go. I would not disagree for anything what the panel and yesterday, today, and all the participants. I would like also just to emphasize that the challenges we are facing, I mean, are not local challenges here. The challenges, we operate in an industry that is affected internationally. We do know, I mean, lately what's happening in Middle East, Ukraine, and maybe also between Israel and Iran. It's also affecting our industry. But locally, the main challenge we face is human resources. And human resources, I think, is not only in Albania, especially in Balkan. I'd like to say especially because those who are trained good, as already mentioned by the director, they leave. But we try to treat them well. There is an interest, there is a challenge, and we hope that that spirit remains. And on the other side, I'm happy to see that University of Toulouse is more and more involved and is playing a crucial role on this, because if we want to see the future, we have to start from today. I would not say from yesterday, because I don't want to accept that we are late. There's never, I mean, late. But we have to start today. So we have made a couple of discussions with the professor, but having you in such events it gives also kind of responsibility to go on. Another topic I wanted just to mention about is in what every day we are mentioning in our life. It's getting more and more involved, but it's artificial intelligence and digitalization. Although we don't accept it, it's deeply in our blood, in our system, in our lives. And for sure, we are able to overcome, excluding, I mean, the low frame and all this in digitalization. It's I would say it's more easy for us to reach the European level. We have the abilities, but we need them to coordinate. When I say we, all the actors, including here the government and all organizations, custom, port authority, everyone, and the private sector too. It's well known that as a private sector, sometimes we run a little bit faster. But we can run faster if the others are following. So we are part of that chain, but we are not alone. So we need either, I mean, to tow them, which is not good sometimes, either to try and explain to all of them, I mean, what are the benefits out of it. Now, the most difficult part in this issue is the integration of all these actors in the same issue. It's difficult because of legislation, difficult to adopt, difficult because we have sometimes, I mean, we think that our mission is different from the others. As private sector. I mean, making, those nice financial numbers is not everything. Most of the other organizations that don't feel the same way, but believe me, at least in MSC, we are, instructed, we are making, from A to Z everything to improve our lives, first of all. That for sure will have impact at the end in the industry and economy itself. So, I would like to thank you all actually once more, and hope that in future these events will be even more, and having also other universities bringing more and sharing best practices so we can improve and be once again what we are aiming to do, what we want to be part of the big family, having all these standards at the same level. Thank you.